Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Math 0900 Mathematics Foundations. My name is Andrew Faber. I'm going to be the instructor this semester. So I just wanted to show you a little bit how to get around or how the course is structured in Canvas. So you know Canvas has this navigation bar over here on the left side where we can find different things. The home screen is just this main screen. We have a syllabus tab and modules. Modules is where everything, all the content for the course is located. And then you can see your grades. And when we do Zoom meetings, you can click here. And then there's a Canvas student and some student resources. So right now we're on the home screen when you first get into Canvas. And you can see here we have the course description. It does have some due dates over to the right-hand side as you start to do things. But let's just look at here the course description. I have a nice little quote up here. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So it is going to require you to work on your problems consistently throughout the week. So down here I have my name, Andrew Faber. I'm the instructor this semester. And my email and phone number, which is also on the syllabus tab. And then if you click the start here, it will also take you to the modules. So, you can click here, which had you click the modules, you'd be at the same place, which is where you actually are with how this class is structured. Okay, so the very first one, really what you want to do is work through the introduction assignments. And you notice in the introduction assignments, there is a syllabus quiz. So before you do that, you want to click back here on the syllabus and look at the syllabus for the course. So if we were in the classroom, I would hand this out to you and I would post it in Canvas as well, but it has my name. We actually are going to meet in Zoom on Tuesdays from 11 to 12:45. So it is a virtual class meeting. So I won't be able to cover everything, but we will answer any questions you might have or any homework help that you might need, and we'll talk about some other things. So I likely will go over how to get around Canvas next Tuesday as well. But because classes start on Wednesday, you're going to need to have those introduction assignments already done. So I'll just answer any questions next Tuesday you have. My office is in Science 260B. However, right now we are not allowed to have office hours this semester. So my office hours will just be by appointment in Zoom. You can email me. We can set something up. After we meet on Tuesday, if there's a certain time, like if you guys want me to have office hours on Thursdays at 11 at the same time, I'm happy to do that. We'll kind of decide that as the class gets going. This is my office phone number that does get directed to me. So I will get that and my email. Probably the best way to contact me is email me through Canvas. Okay, don't forget to check your email frequently. Because it's an online class, I do have to check it based on completion of assignments. This class is graded pass-fail. Pass is 70% or higher, which is an S, and less than 70% is U, satisfactory, unsatisfactory. The grade distribution is as follows. Each week we'll have some video lessons. There are 5 journals throughout the semester that are 5%. Homework every week, which totals 20% of your grade. There'll be 3 main tests or exams, which are 40%, and a final, which is 25%. ADA accommodations, the accommodative services, you need to contact, because you can't come to campus, by phone here, 995-8009 if you have any questions about that. All right. Also on this syllabus tab is what's called the working syllabus. So I'm going to click on that, which just quickly downloaded. Let me open that for you. This is our course master syllabus. So you can see here, fall 2020, it has my name, my office location, my office phone number, and my email. And as I said, the office hours we will determine. The Dean of Arts and Sciences is Dr. Fred Ardola, and I am also the chair of the math department. So we have both the college mission and the department mission, and then the catalog description again. And then the meeting dates and times will be Tuesdays from 11 to 12:45, and we do meet in Zoom. So this course, the textbook for this course is based on Tyler Wallace's Beginning and Intermediate Algebra, which is a Creative Commons, which means it's an online free textbook. And we will use what's called My Open Math. So there's really nothing you have to purchase for this course, other than if you don't have an 83 or 84 plus calculator. We recommend it. We have required it in the past. The reason we want you to have it is because all of you are going to want to take another math class, and those courses will require the 83 plus and 84. And so in this course, we can show you a little bit how to get around that calculator. So here's the learning outcomes for the semester if you want to go through and look through those. Approximate, I have a different calendar that I'll ask you to print. This again has the grading scale. And that this talks about missing class, but since we're not in the classroom, it doesn't really relate. And then the last couple pages are some institutional information. I'm just going to let you guys read through that on your own. Make sure you do read through it. There's some phone numbers in here. Okay. All right. So again, that's just on this link right here. If you just click on that, it'll download the working syllabus for the course. A lot of the information is on this page as well. Okay, so let's go back to modules. Okay, that we looked at Meet Your Instructor, how this class is structured, which is what you're on right now. Did I click on Meet Your Instructor? Okay, I guess I didn't do that. I was on syllabus. I apologize. So once you read through that syllabus, these introductory assignments you want to do first. I all have due dates of August 26th, so they shouldn't take you really long to get through. You're just, for example, clicking here, you're going to watch the video. This is who I am. Hi, everyone. My name is Andrea Faber. I'm going to be the... So that's fun. And then you're currently watching this video, and then here's the schedule. What I encourage you to do is click on this link right here and download it and then print it off. And just put it somewhere where you're looking at it, okay? So you know Wednesday these are due. Now Friday you're gonna have two more sections of homework to do. Okay, so most of our due dates are Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. Yes, we're meeting on Tuesdays, but your due dates are really Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, okay? And the reason we're doing that is because we don't want you to have one day where you have a ton of stuff due, okay? You want to periodically do that, especially when it comes to some of the algebra we're going to do. There are 3 exams throughout the semester, and you can see that on this calendar as well as the final, okay? So this is a good calendar to print off. I just keep clicking back over here on modules. All right, so you just watch this video on me, you're watching the current video, print off the schedule, and then the introduction to MyOpenMath. MyOpenMath is the homework system we're going to use. So you can see here, this first one, this should be really easy. It's 14 points. You can take it 3 times. You really don't need to. It's just teaching you how to use the MyOpenMath, okay? So this is question 1. You click this little arrow right here. You can see there are 14 questions. And you can move around to different questions if you want. And it's just, it tells you how to do it and how to input it. Okay, so that when you click on it, it's trying to teach you how to do, for example, the square root of 2. Okay? Okay, I'm going to go away from that for now. Okay, that's the intro to MyOpenMath. Now, meet your classmates. This is a discussion board posting I want you to do. After you watch my intro video, kind of the same thing. Tell us your name, where you're from, maybe something fun you did this summer. You might add in there what your major is. Also, if you can reply to one or more of your classmates, that would be great. So the way that you do this is when you're down here in the discussion, okay, we click on that. This upload record media, do you see that? It's right here. So you're going to click on that, hit upload record media, and then you're going to hit record. And you're going to see me. Yay! Okay, and then you just hit start recording and tell us a little bit about yourself. Okay, it's really, really easy to do. Again, this button right here, upload record, click record, and then you'll see me again. Okay, and then you just hit start recording and it will do it. Now, I will tell you, I have some issues. I use a Mac computer, so if I use Safari, it does not work. I have to use Chrome. So try your different browsers if this doesn't work for you. Okay. So I'm looking forward to meet you all. So if we were in the classroom, I would have you go around the room and do that. So that's why I have that posted this way. And then the syllabus quiz is very easy. There's 11 questions. I've read and understand the syllabus. So just make sure you understand how that is. Okay. And you know, those kind of things. So it's very, very easy. And then the last thing listed here is just privacy and accessibility information if you want to know anything about the accessibility or privacy statements of MyOpenMath or Canvas. So that's really just informational. And that's all you have to do for the introductory assignments that are due on Wednesday, which is probably today if you're looking at this. And then for our first week, we have some things due on Friday. So our first week is really the introductory assignments, and then we all have some things due on Friday already, even before we meet on Tuesday. So we'll see, I'm hoping everybody is watching this. What you're going to do, if you click on this, it will tell you everything that's due for this first chapter. Okay, there's nothing you need to do there. I'm going to just minimize this right here. Okay, so, but if you want to read about integers, there's some, it'll give a sheet here on how to look at integers. For some reason, my browser is preventing it, so I'll have to go in and double check that. Okay, and that's just kind of like a couple pages, and then you'll have a video lesson here. And this is all in MyOpenMath. It's 12 points. You click on it. Basically, what you're going to do is watch this video.
In this video, we're going to
It's
explore how
only
we
2
are
minutes.
-4,
Okay.
and we're going to add to that.
Okay, so it tells you about adding and subtracting numbers, and so then you're just going to come down here, and 3 plus 92 is 95. And then here we're adding two negatives, so same signs, keep and add. We're going to add the numbers, 2, 3, 45, but it's a negative, so we keep the negative sign. And then you can hit check answer, and it's going to tell you got that right. Does that make sense? Okay, and then we go to the next question. Now you can go up here. There's only 4 questions in the video, but I want you to go through each one of them. Watch the video first. Again, it's only a couple of minutes.
In this video, we're going to take.
Okay, so each video is only a couple minutes. This one's 5 minutes.
In this video, we're going to take a look.
And this one's 4 minutes. So 10, 15, 20 minutes probably in this video assignment. Okay. So you're going to do that video lesson first, and then at the end, make sure you do submit and end, and then we do the homework for that. Okay, this is just 9 points. Again, shouldn't take you real long. There's 9 questions for you. Once you answer each question, you can do check your answer, but once you've done all of them, make sure you hit this submit and end here. Now, if you haven't done them all, it's going to tell you that. Okay, but make sure you do submit it. Otherwise, the grades won't transfer from MyOpenMath into Canvas. All right. Okay, so that's the video lesson and the homework. Those are the main things. There's a place to read here. You can read, I encourage you to read and skim over that, then do the video lesson and the homework, okay? So those shouldn't take you real long this first week, okay? So when we meet on Tuesday, hopefully you'll have all that done and you can ask me any questions about it. And then next week, on Monday, we'll have point 3, which is over order of operations. And then also the properties of algebra. And then on Wednesday, we will have some calculator things to do. And then we'll review the order of operations. And then on Friday, we're going to start equations. So we'll have 1.1 and 1.2 due. Okay, so everything is listed under week 2 there. Okay, but if you have printed off your, I'm going to back up here. Sorry about this. Schedule here. Okay, you can see in week 2 what we have due. See 1.1 and 1.2 are due on Friday. Okay, so this schedule kind of helps you out as well. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So that's how we're going to get around in Canvas and just follow each week with your due dates. At the very bottom, there are some additional resources if you need anything. But I will open up the first 2 weeks are open for you. If you work quickly through things and you want some additional weeks open, that's great. I can do that. If you click on Zoom, I don't have it scheduled yet, but you'll see our first meeting time and you'll just click there to join our Zoom. And then of course the grades button will show you your grades so you can kind of see what's due. And this has the whole course out there. So at the very bottom, you'll have your grade. Makes sense? Okay, so again, make sure you do print off that calendar to help you out, okay, to kind of go through the course. And then modules is where everything is. Okay, I look forward to talking to you guys next Tuesday.